Recovery mode not working on your Mac? Black screen, stuck, or nothing showing up at all? Don't panic. This happens more often than you think. And the good news is it can be fixed. In this guide, I'll show you powerful step-by-step solutions that work on every Mac, from older Intel machines to the latest Apple Silicon models. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your Mac back to life, even if it means creating a bootable macOS USB installer as a last resort. So get ready, follow along, and let's get your Mac's recovery mode back in action. Step 1. Confirm the right key combo. For Intel Macs, shut down your Mac. Power it on and hold Command+R right away. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo or spinning globe. For Apple Silicon Macs, shut down your Mac. Hold the power button until you see loading startup options. Then click Options and continue. Tip: timing is everything. Start pressing as soon as you power on. Step 2. Check your keyboard. For Intel Macs, if Command+R doesn't work, try a wired keyboard. Plug it directly into the Mac, not through a hub. Test if the Command key works in an app like Safari. For Apple Silicon Macs, wireless keyboards usually work, but if the power button is on the keyboard, make sure it's paired and working. On MacBooks, use the built-in Touch ID button. Tip: on a Windows keyboard, the Windows key equals the Command key. Step 3. Try Internet Recovery. For Intel Macs, shut down the Mac, power it on and hold Option, Command, and R. You'll see a spinning globe. This loads recovery from Apple's servers. For Apple Silicon Macs, Internet Recovery is automatic. If your built-in recovery is missing, your Mac will connect online when you hold the power button and choose Options. Step 4. Reset NVRAM Intel only. Shut down the Mac. Power it on and immediately press Option, Command, P, and R. Hold for about 20 seconds until you hear the startup sound or see the Apple logo twice. After that, try Command+R again. Apple Silicon Macs don't need this. They handle NVRAM resets automatically. Step 5. Use startup options, Apple Silicon only. Shut down the Mac. Hold the power button until Loading Startup Options appears. Select your startup disk or the gear options icon, then click Continue. On Intel Macs, you already use Command+R for this. Step 6. Use a bootable macOS USB. For both Intel and Apple Silicon Macs, on another working Mac, open the App Store. Search for your version of macOS like Sonoma, Ventura, or Monterey. Click Get, and the installer will download into Applications. Plug in a USB drive 16 GB or larger. Open Disk Utility. Erase it as macOS Extended Journaled with GUID partition map. Download and open Install Disk Creator from macdaddy.io. Select your macOS installer, then select the USB drive. Click Create Installer and wait until it finishes. To boot from USB, insert the drive into the Mac. On Intel Macs, hold Option at startup and choose the installer. On Apple Silicon, hold the power button and select the USB under Startup Options. Quick recap: Intel Macs, Command+R, Internet Recovery, Reset NVRAM or Bootable USB. Apple Silicon Macs, hold power for Options, Automatic Internet Recovery, or Bootable USB if needed. That's it. Hopefully one of these fixes worked for you. If it did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which step solved it for you.